If you want to upload files to your OneDrive using your File Explorer, it is as simple as moving a file into a folder like you would do in any other circumstance. I can grab this file from my desktop and simply drag it over to my OneDrive, and that will upload that file into my OneDrive. Likewise, I can organize folders and files in my OneDrive just as I normally would any other folder on my computer. I can right-click in the white space here and go to New and create a new folder. And once again, if I want to move this file into that folder, I can simply drag it over. For OneDrive on the web or OneDrive in Microsoft Teams, you will click on the Upload button at the top if you want to upload a new file or folder. You can also create new folders in the web and Microsoft Team version of OneDrive, and you can click and drag files around just as you would if you were in your File Explorer. Remember that regardless of whether you upload files and folders through your File Explorer to OneDrive, or if you upload files and folders to the web-based OneDrive, all of those files and folders will be accessible regardless of which avenue you choose for accessing your OneDrive.